Welcome, cooks, to the Recipe Vault. Today, we have something kind of fun. We're making Rocky Road candy bars.
Yeah!
Remember the Rocky Road candy bars? We're making those. We're going to cut them into squares, but you could cut them into bars, right? Straight out of the Recipe Vault. So these are chocolate and marshmallow and walnuts. They bring back a lot of memories. So join us. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen.
Hey!
Okay, so in our pan here, I got a 3-quart saucier. We're melting some butter.
Butter.
Butter. We're going to put some chocolate chips. Yeah. And we're going to put some sweetened condensed milk.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go ahead and scoop this out. That goodness.
Mm-hmm.
More pieces in there, and we're just stir and melt. Ooh, this is gooey.
Bring it closer to me, my pretty.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's getting kind of thick.
Whoa, this is Willy and Wonka. All wonky. Okay, so I got a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows. Mini. If I can get it open. Into the bowl. We have some walnuts, coarsely chopped. I'm going to, I'll put the recipe up on my website. Oops. One went crazy. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up here with double clean hands. And whoa, 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 whoa. And let's stir this up. Holy moly. Guacamole. So this is a 9x9 baking pan. I lined it in foil so that we can get it out like a sling. And if I can get this into here.
This stuff is kind of heavy. You have to kind of scoop it from the bottom and when you're folding it in. But it does come together.
Very sticky.
Very sticky.
If you want to test your nonstick pan, that's the way you do it.
Mm-hmm.
So I got a spoon here, and I'm just dragging it all into the corners. Holy moly.
Mm-hmm. That's some serious happiness right there, Bubba.
Marshmallows got kind of melty.
But they're still intact.
Whoa. This is very, very sticky. Gooey. Look at that.
So you're saying when people got to wash their dishes, they got to be very careful, right?
Yeah. You could do this if you have a silicone pan, like square like this, because that will...
Might not stick.
Yeah.
You can flex those, right?
Yeah. Might be easier to get it out. That, my friends, is pretty gooey looking. So this is going in the refrigerator for about 2 hours to chill. And once that happens, Eric's going to have him a Rocky Road bar, candy bar.
Yum, yum.
We'll be back. So it's out of the fridge. Look at that. It looks pretty fantastic here. It's nice and
it's
Rocky Roady.
It's pliable because it's been sitting out for a while. We chilled it and then we let it out.
So I'm going to be cutting it using my Enzo Bunka. I'm becoming in love with the Bunka because my favorite is a chef's knife. And I like knockeries, but what I like about these is it's a Japanese knife, obviously, but it has a tip on it like a chef's knife. Man, I like this knife. It's the Enzo.
But it doesn't rock like a Santoku, or does it?
It does. This one has a rock to it, see?
So it's a little bit of a hybrid.
And the rock is here. It's not like when they're really flat, you're trying to make it rock. So let's see.
Does the sling work?
Well, the sling will work this far, right? Okay, so let's see what happens here. I'm not guaranteeing anything. Absolutely nothing.
I will. It'll be gone by tomorrow.
I don't know. Doing this in a square silicone pan probably would be easier. Don't tell anybody you saw me do this because this is totally...
What?
This is totally not proper, right?
What's not proper?
The way I'm taking this out of it. I just flip the thing. Wowza! Whoa. Okay, so do you want squares or bars? Candy bars? If I do...
Do I look like a 7-Eleven boo-boo? Just make nice, convenient things, right? Big, hunking squares.
If I do 1, 2, 3. Whoa. I didn't do that straight.
I don't care. Cutting in half is not...
Whoa.
That looks pretty right there.
That looks like a Rocky Road candy bar.
That looks hecka pretty.
Whoa. Whoa. That looks like a Rocky Road candy bar. I think candy bars aren't this wide, though.
As wide as you want to be. Shout out to my friend Gil. Eat your heart out, buddy.
Eric's friend Gil loves Rocky Road.
Yeah,
every time we go to California, he'd be like, pick me up Rocky Road.
Yeah, you can't find these east of Colorado.
Bar, or half?
Just cut in half.
Half?
Yeah.
No, that's too big.
Why?
That looks ridiculous.
It's your show. So give me
yeah, it is my show.
Oh, you're going to give me this mouse bites? Does this look like Halloween, boo?
Whoa, that is a Rocky Road candy bar.
That's nice, yeah. But
I do got a platter here.
My sense of smell is off, though. You might need to bring it closer, boo-boo, so I can smell those.
Whoa. These are amazing. How am I going to stack them now?
Very carefully. I can take the overflow.
I did them kind of wide. Whoa. Like, that's a huge candy bar.
That is. 3 bites and it's gone.
That's insane.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's nice?
It's hecka nice. Eat a couple of these, you don't want to do anything the rest of the day.
I could technically cut them half.
You could, would you?
Would I?
Well, if you want to mess with me, you would. Now I gotta eat 2 of them.
Because this is ridiculous.
No, it's your gift to me. I love you, boo.
Christmas is over.
Happy New Year's.
Man, oh man.
Mm-hmm.
That right there is a platter of Rocky Road candy bars.
That's a platter that's needs to come closer to me.
It's insane. There you go. I think Eric needs to take a taste. Okay, Boo, you ready to try these?
I don't know. It's been very stressful watching you make all these.
I mean, I can just take them away and you don't have to have them. We can give them to the neighbor.
I think she has a chocolate intolerance, so I'll save her, okay?
Okay, so here is the Rocky Road candy bar.
Ooh.
On the plate.
Ooh.
Yum.
So I just want to say thank you, Boo, for all this hard work.
You're welcome. It seems fudgy.
It is kind of like a little bit like fudge. It is soft, very chocolatey, of course. Nuts are great. Marshmallows make it soft. It's flavorful.
Does it taste like a candy bar? It's a different texture than if you were to buy a commercial one.
Yeah, I'm sure they put things to make it a different texture. But this is...
Because they don't want you to touch it and get it on your hands like this. So they have stuff to give it a different texture. So what do you think of it? Is it tasty?
I don't know. I might need 5 more to make a decision. But this thing is great. Whoever made this recipe, I think it's definitely a winner.
Thumbs up, right? Thanks, Recipe Vault. Rocky Road candy bar. So this will be up on my website. Another successful Recipe Vault.
Yay.
Thanks for joining me.